Okay, what I've done, of course, I've added things onto my chicken playground. Not finished with the pond yet. I've still got to plant some shrubs around the front, but a little fountain needs some help. It's leaking water, I believe, because I've got to fill it back up every morning, but that's okay. I'll figure it out. But what I'm doing today is that I've always had this chicken swing on here that I've built, but none of them ever played with it. But what I'm going to do, instead of having a chicken swing, which you'll probably use after I get finished, is I've got the bird feeders and that I capture video off every morning, but still working on it, the bird houses. But what I'm going to do, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that into a bird feeder. A bird feeder swing. Yeah, let's see what I'm going to do. Well, I'm trying to sit this down. What I plan on doing is I'm going to take my drill some holes all through here. I've already made my bird feeder feed that with peanut butter, oatmeal, cornmeal, honey, and I may add some seeds in there also, some small seeds, but I'll drill the holes, pack it in there, and then see if I can attract some other birds than the birds I've been getting. Let's see what happens. And I'm going to do this about 7 or 8 more times and see if I can pack some in there. Oh yeah. There we go. Now the ingredients I'm using is peanut butter, honey, quick oats, flour, and cornmeal and freeze-dried fruits, just for the fun of it. Now what I did is I took the peanut butter and honey and I put it in the microwave just for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, melted it, added all my dry ingredients, stirred it up, I added my freeze-dried fruit, and made it happen. Okay, let's see if we can make some of this stick on there. I'm gonna grab me some. Let's see what the chicken's liking. You want some of that? Oh yeah, they like that. But I'm gonna grab me a ball. Set that bowl up there. Let's see if I can. I finally just decided to use my hands. Yeah, I can wash my hands. Oh yeah. It's gonna stick perfect. Grab another crumbled handful. You can see I got the freeze-dried fruit in there, but it doesn't take much to ball it up. And we're gonna do it again. And then whatever falls is not gonna last long with these chickens around. I see a strawberry down there. Oh, it's like Play-Doh. And I guarantee someone's gonna jump up here and go for a swing. and hopefully some wild birds also. Uh-oh, it ain't gonna last long up there. Hopefully I'll get it down in the holes. There'll be some left when the chickens get through. Okay, I've got it on there as good as I can. I'm gonna try to press it down all in the crevices. Oh, I gotta get some down in those holes. She's on there pretty good. Won't last long, but we'll see. Well, it seems they like it. They've been pecking on it, but they're not for sure about that swinging portion. Oh, now the ones in the back that just got chased away, they're actually two different breeds here. The four in the front, Mama's coming back. She's the leader of the pack. She sets the pecking order. But the four in the front, they are considered ISA Browns, and that's the name of the breed. Now the other one, these are about almost 2 years old, a year and a half maybe. Now the other ones that got chased away are only 6 months old right now, and they are at the point of laying eggs. Oh, that thing's swinging. Don't know what to do with it, do you? Oh, that's killing me. But the cinnamon queens are in the back. They're just waiting their turn because they know they'll get their turn when the mamas will get tired and they're gonna go away and they'll have their turn. But hopefully that the wild birds and a different breed of birds will get on there and learn to sit on that swing that won't swing like that, but able to eat the homemade feed, which all the ingredients in there are oats. The cornmeal is corn. The flour, of course, is corn, and peanuts. Well, they're nuts, and the honey is just a sweetness that some of the other birds will like. Oh, there's one of them cinnamon queens that's sitting up there waiting for her turn, sharpening her beak. But I'm gonna let you watch while the rest of the time to see what they do, and hopefully another bird will come by, an air bird, because I love watching the chickens, which I consider land birds, but then the air birds I love also, and I love to see them eat. Let's see what happens. Now, the older birds will always take care of the younger birds to let them know who gets to eat first. And that's okay. They know their pecking order. Now, somebody's looking around to see if the coast is clear, to see if it's okay for them to come down and get a tasty bite of that new taste that they've not tasted before yet. They've only had the chicken feed, the crumbles. Let's see what happens. Oh, you better get back. Oh, I've told you. She said, I told you not to come around until I'm done. Oh, you take care of them, Mama. Now watch on that back fence line. Mr. Squirrel's coming around because he smells peanuts. Oh, is it peanut butter or peanuts? Come on down. Let's see if the ladies will let you eat. Oh, you take care, buddy. Now, Mr. Squirrel knows he's faster than chickens, but will he have time to stop and eat? Oh, there he goes! Oh, Mama's sitting there looking around going, see ya. I'm gonna keep an eye on you. This stuff's mine. Go ahead and have some more, Mama. Oh, Mr. Squirrel's just gonna have to deal with the bird seed and the peanuts out of the bird feeder. Oh, there you go. You got yours. Take it back to the house. Oh. Shake that tail, baby. Now here comes one of the cinnamon queens coming around the corner to see what's left, if anything's left, to see what they can eat. Let's see what happens. Here comes the sisters. Oh, here comes Mama. Oh. Now you notice birds of a feather do flock together because the babies all stay together. And oh, you see that one jump up there? Oh, the little ones love to be high, and now the older ones, they have not checked out the height of the chicken playground. But so that means the youngest of the birds get the benefits of flying high and staying tall and out of the reach of the pecking order. Now, if you notice, the chickens all look the same or similar, but the cinnamon queens have a black tip on their tail, what the ISA browns do not. So that is the way that I can tell them apart. Now, the ISA browns have white tips on their tails, so that's the difference. But they're all beautiful in my eyes. Now the cinnamon queens are coming around the other side while Mama's on the other side. Now, they don't know what that smell is. They know that they watch the other birds, and any other birds that are eating something, they know it has to be good. But they're not for certain. They're checking it out. We've never had food this high up in the air before. You take your time. If you want some, it's there. But they're probably still worried if Mama is coming around the corner. Well, I've got to say that Mama is guarding this new area. She knows that that's food and that's hers, and she doesn't want to share with nobody. But the truth is, she can only be around it for so long. And what's new will be old. And now she'll have to figure out something else to do. And the other youngsters, the Cinnamons, will figure it out. Just a matter of time. Now, I will tell you that I have never named any of my chickens because I can't tell one from the other. But now this one coming around the corner does have a name, and her name is Hoppy. Because I can tell her the difference because she has white feathers on top. She is an ISA brown. But what happened with her, that I have found her, that she had a run-in with a possum a few months back. The possum tried to get her. And when I walked out there the next day, the crime scene was in two different areas. And I'm talking crime scenes, two different ones, because I saw feathers in one area of the yard and feathers in the other one. And that possum got a hold of Hoppy's leg and injured it badly. And she hopped around for over 2 months. But she is a survivor, and she runs like a deer now. Nothing slows her down, so I am happy with Hoppy. Did I just say that? Happy with Hoppy. That's a fun way to say it. Way to go, Hoppy. I'm happy for you. And you eat up, because, girl, you deserve it, because you are a survivor. Oh my gosh. I was so worried about you every day. Every day you wouldn't move. But now you walk around like nothing has ever happened. Yes, I am proud of you. Now, if you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe and leave a comment on what you would like to see next or what you wouldn't want to see. Take care. God bless.